It's supposed to be this stone. Yeah. When they couldn't get the type of stone they want.
Yeah. This place now, eh?
Yes.
This is where the players gather.
Okay.
Before they go to a game. And this place, they have what is called a kiosk. Kiosk where they sell newspapers. So it's just like when you want to go to here. So you see people sitting here around this kiosk, waiting before they move for their game. So this place is it's a monumental place, never to forget. So that is why they are putting this in. They wanted a stone from our place. We tried, it was so difficult because they needed something that would last for ages. So they ended up, but there is a stone that is from Biafra land that's under this small stone. That's under this, from Biafra land that's under this. So what you're seeing is like a kiosk where they said it. This figura is, what's it called?
Ikenga. Oh yeah, that's true. That's Ikenga, kind of. Yeah.
So this is the flag. This is 50 years anniversary. This is 50th anniversary of Biafra FC. Also in Igbo.
Y esto es la forma que tenía el periódico.
Kiosk de Pere. Yeah, that is the kiosk of the periódico. From 1969 to 1978, they were. This is where you see. This is their logo. This is their Biafra badge. You see it on their chest.
Y esto es un campo de fútbol, ¿no?
Yeah. So you see that the design is like a field.
Oh, the pitch, yeah. The pitch. Oh, yeah. Actually, yeah. The pitch, yeah.
And this monument was installed here December 20.
So there's a piece of Biafran stone under this.
Initially, they wanted to do
the whole big stone, yeah.
The big stone, but we couldn't get it. Couldn't get the dimension.
This is it.
So that's a piece of stone.
That is the most important thing for them. Is the most important is this.
The stone.
Which is the bond? Which is the bond between the Catalonia?
But isn't it ironic that there is no hailstone to remember Biafrans who died in our own land?
In our own land.
It's a big shame, you know.
What this map, this is African map. So what they put there, this is Biafra. They put a point there for you to know exactly where the Biafra. You can find Biafra in the map. So if I told you are looking for a map, you can't find it. So this is the kiosk was just, this is exactly the center where the kiosk is. And this is the way it is the form of the kiosk. And the way it was. So you have to.
When this was inaugurated, the mayor of the city was present. When during the inauguration, the mayor of the city and IPUB were present. That was in December 2020.
Okay. Like now, at the end of this year, they are preparing a book. They wrote a book regarding this history. Around December, the book will be launched. I believe that they're also inviting us. Of course, we have something we're going to present to them as well. They have the book in Catalan and Igbo language.
Wow.
Translated. They are translated in Igbo.
To our people.
It's a very big shame. It's a big shame.
A big.
We thank God for Nnamdi, because if not for
Nnamdi Kanu, this.
We have been able to achieve all this.
No, we are a great leader. You can imagine at the age as old as he is, since 16 years, at the age of 16, he started this project. He said that his friend dream to see Biafra from the Biafra will be restored his time.
This is an important
square.
This city, this village. This is a village.
This is also where they do that. They are okay. See the
maximum 10 people.
More, the longest is 10 stories. 10 stories. 10 people. 10 people. 1, 2, 3 for that.
Ooh.
Yeah. 10. Yeah. Like I were up to 4, 5. I didn't 4, 5. I didn't 4, 5. But they modified it. Because Habiba and they totally filled up. So they
built the edifice.
To view the 10 stories at your long walk, you need 500 people.
500 people to
get the base.
Unity from there. That is unity. that if they fall, they cannot fall on the ground. Fall on
Good. Then, Senor Ramon, perdona, una pregunta. Eso, ¿qué? Osu no me estoy acá.
Kwesịrị imete aka na imete aka. Oh,
To feel it.
Even though you know that we should touch it.
this thing.
Eso.
History. Ọ ha na-ekwu maka ya. Ọ ha na-ekwu maka ya.
Esta torre.
Vale.
Es la más alta de Cataluña.
¿Sí?
The most tallest cathedral.
Representa toda la ciudad de Biafra.
It's the logo.
Emblem,
Emblem, yeah.
So they recognize it with
The Biafran.
Biafra this thing.
Our elders, amam ha ga-agwa ndị ede anyị o. Far away in Europe, people are still holding on and hoping, praying that Biafra will come, and then the Igbo no na-afọtọgharị.